Video of Tony's phone collection. Today we'll be doing another unboxing real quick. This is another phone I picked up on eBay. See, it comes with the owner's manual, and I see it as a Blackberry Bold. This is my first Sprint phone. If I remember, that's on a Blackberry device. Usually I don't actually have any Blackberries that are on Sprint, so this is going to be the first one. So here it is. It's a little rough up here, I can tell already, but seems like it has a battery in it. It is the Blackberry 9650 right there. Has a memory card as well. It's looking at 2 GB SD card. That's in there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be dead, being a Blackberry. Oh no, look at there, it's actually charged. It's pretty rough, I would say, as you can tell. But like I said, this is my first Sprint device that's a Blackberry. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's dead. Oh no, it's turning on. I always like these Blackberries. I was using this the Blackberry Bold on AT&T, which is the 9700. I'm playing around with it, using it for a while, using my red pocket SIM card. And yeah, I miss typing on these things. These things are awesome to type on. If you don't know, I keep all my batteries out of my Blackberry phones because they like to kill themselves somehow, so I always keep my batteries out of them. See what kind of software we got, maybe any CDs, anything cool. Oh yeah, we do have a CDA. So we got the basic guide, getting started guide. That sounded really loud. Getting started guide, features guide, Blackberry user tools, which is nice to have. You can download on Blackberry's website, but it takes forever to find it. And then 9650 safety product information. There's a little flap thing there. Quick reference guide. I have to install this on my Dell, the Windows 7, because my Surface is too new for that, and it doesn't have a CD drive. Probably get one of those removable USB CD drives so I can maybe get it to work. I want to install Windows 7 on my Surface, but I don't know how to do that. So one of these days I'll do it, but for now, yeah. We'll wait for this to boot up, and I'll go ahead and resume the video. Alrighty, so it looks like it's finally booting up. I do like the newer Sprint animations that they had around this time. There we go. Looks like it's fully working. Looks like it's actually been reset as well, because this first message should be from Sprint. Yeah, saying welcome. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the little unboxing video of the Blackberry Bold on Sprint, and stay tuned for the next one.